Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss General Biochemistry Mcqs Part 1st. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin K. And option D, vitamin C. So the correct option is D, vitamin C. Which gland produces the melatonin hormone? Option A, pituitary gland. Option B, thyroid gland. Option C, adrenal gland. And option D, pineal gland. So the correct option is D, pineal gland. Which of the following gases is used for the purification of water? Option A, oxygen. Option B, ammonia. Option C, chlorine. So the correct option is C, chlorine. Which one of the following mixtures of gases is required for gas welding? Option A, oxygen and ethylene. Option B, oxygen and hydrogen. Option C, acetylene and oxygen. So the correct option is C, acetylene and oxygen. If you like this video, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ अ गैस? ऑप्शन ए, सोडियम. बी, प्लूटोनियम. सी, मर्करी. एंड ऑप्शन डी, क्लोरीन. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, क्लोरीन. The earth receives heat from the sun through option A, conduction. B, convection. C, radiation. And option D, condensation. So the correct option is C, radiation. Which carbohydrate is most commonly found in honey and fruits? Option A, maltose. B, sucrose. C, fructose. And option D, lactose. So the correct option is C, fructose. Deficiency of vitamin C causes option A, night blindness. B, beriberi. Option C, scurvy. And option D, none of these. So the correct option is C, scurvy. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin K. And option D, vitamin C. So the correct option is option D, which is vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes option A, tooth disease. Option B, bone diseases. Option C, eye diseases. And option D, skin disease. So the correct option is A, tooth diseases. Dash all forms of energy that we use are ultimately transformed into option A, electrical energy. B, heat energy. C, light energy. And option D, chemical energy. So the correct option is B, heat energy. A branch of science which deal with the study of fossils and is called option A, parasitology. B, paleontology. C, theology. And option D, radiology. So the correct option is B, paleontology. Which carbohydrate is stored in the liver and muscles of animals as a source of energy? Option A, cellulose. B, sucrose. Option C, glycogen. And option D, fructose. So the correct option is C, glycogen. Which carbohydrate is the main structural component of plant cell wall? Option A, glucose, B, sucrose, option C, cellulose, and option D, starch. So the correct option is C, cellulose. Which disaccharide is composed of glucose and galactose units? Option A, sucrose, option B, maltose, option C, lactose, and option D, cellulose. So the correct option is C, lactose. Which polysaccharide is primarily found in the exoskeletons of insects and crustaceans? Option A, cellulose, B, starch, option C, chitin, and option D, glycogen. So the correct option is C, chitin. Which carbohydrate is the main form of energy storage in plants? Option A, sucrose, B, starch, option C, cellulose, and option D, lactose. So the correct option is B, starch. Which carbohydrate is the primary form of energy used by the cell? Option A, maltose, B, glucose, C, sucrose, and option D, lactose. So the correct option is B, glucose. So this is very important MCQs. Which type of bond is primarily responsible for maintaining the secondary structure of the protein? Option A, peptide bonds, B, hydrogen bonds, C, disulfide bonds, and option D, ionic bonds. So the correct option is B, hydrogen bonds. Which of the following amino acids can form disulfide bonds? Option A, glycine, B, alanine, C, cysteine, and option D, leucine. So the correct option is C, cysteine. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Option A, vitamin A, B, vitamin B, C, vitamin K, and option D, vitamin C. So the correct option is D, vitamin C. Which of the following is a polysaccharide? Option A, glucose, B, cellulose, C, fructose, and option D, maltose. So the correct option is B, cellulose. Which vitamin deficiency is associated with the development of rickets in children? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B12, option C, vitamin C, and option D, vitamin D. So the correct option is vitamin D. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following carbohydrate is a disaccharide? Option A, glucose, B, fructose, C, sucrose, and option D, starch. So the correct option is C, sucrose. Which of the following amino acids is essential in the human diet? Option A, glycine, B, lysine, C, glutamine, and option D, aspartic acid. So the correct option is B, lysine. Which carbohydrate is commonly found in milk? Option A, lactose, B, sucrose, C, maltose, and option D, fructose. So the correct option is A, lactose. The theory of inheritance of acquired character was propounded by option A, Charles Darwin, B, Gregor Mendel, option C, J.B. Lamarck, and option D, Weismann. So the correct option is B. Which of the following was discovered by Ronald Ross? Option A, cholera. B, malaria parasite. C, jaundice. And option D, none of these. So the correct option is B, malaria parasite. Which of the following is a basic characteristic of a living organism? Option A, ability to move. B, ability to reproduce. Option C, ability to eat. And option D, ability to breathe. So the correct option is B, ability to reproduce. What is stored in the gallbladder? Option A, enzyme. Option B, bile. Option C, urea. And option D, insulin. So the correct option is B, bile. In which organ of the human body are the lymphocyte cell formed? Option A, liver. B, long bone. Option C, pancreas. And option D, spleen. So the correct option is D, spleen. The proteins are made in the cells under the instructions of option A, genes. B, DNA. C, RNA. And option D, ribosome. So the correct option is A, genes. Water helps in the metabolism process in the presence of option A, amino acid. B, ribonucleic acid. C, proteins. And option D, enzymes. So the correct option is D, enzymes. Which is an essential constituent of diet? Option A, starch. B, glucose. Option C, amino acid. And option D, none of these. So the correct option is A, starch. Which vitamin cannot be stored in the human body? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin D. And option D, vitamin E. So the correct option is B, vitamin C. So this is very important MCQs. The deficiency of iron in the human diet causes option A, goiter. B, scurvy. Option C, anemia. And option D, rickets. So the correct option is C, anemia. Which of the following acids secreted internally helps in digestion? Option A, formalin. B, citric acid. C, hydrochloric acid. And option D, acetic acid. So the correct option is C, hydrochloric acid. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। Recording of brain waves from the outer surface of the head is called option A, ECG. Option B, MRI. Option C, CT scan. And option D, EEG. So the correct option is D, EEG. Which one of the following is an example of hereditary disease? Option A, AIDS. B, hemophilia. C, syphilis. And option D, formalin. So the correct option is B, hemophilia. Thank you for watching my videos.